Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my social media planner, which is called Modern Year, and we are going to be planning for the week of November 1st through the 7th. I have these loose sticker sheets with dream catchers and feathers and a little bit of indigenous people decor, which I really love. So I decided to use them. I always think about that in November. I'm not sure about you guys. Also, if you are here for the first time, welcome. I hope you like my channel. And if you do, please make sure you subscribe and join me for the planning fun. And if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so happy you are here. I'm just deciding on the stickers to use, so again, I hope you enjoy this process with me. I wanted to make this spread, like I said, a little bit about the origins of Thanksgiving, and I really love stickers with anything Dreamcatcher. It's just so fun. And these stickers are on loose sticky paper, and what they are, they're more of a washi tape stickers than anything else, so they feel like washi when you put them down. Okay, so here we go. Oh, look how pretty this arrow is. I'm obsessed. I love decor like this. I'm not sure about you guys again, but it's just something I really enjoy, and I figured it would be a good thing to do. I know I'm probably posting this video a little bit late. I'm still catching up on moving and unpacking. My office is completely still in shambles. I only have a couple lights on my desk, and stickers all over still in boxes. But hey, I really like my crafts, so there we go. How are you guys? What are you up to? Any fun traditions for fall or Thanksgiving? Are you guys apple picking? Are you making pies? Are you staying cozy? Any fun recipes for Thanksgiving that you guys have? I would love if you shared. You can always reach me in comments here, and you can always message me on Instagram. I almost always respond. And if I don't respond right away within 24 hours, I always do. So please feel free to do that. I would love to hear from you guys. Okay, so this spread is almost done. It's filling up very quickly, just like I like it. I love all of these elements. I hope you guys do too. And like I said, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I think I am pretty much done. I think I want to add boxes to it, maybe black ones to make them stand out a little bit, where I'm going to write out all of the videos I will be posting and working on. It's easier to keep a schedule like that outside of my regular job. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you for a plan with me very soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for joining me. Bye!